Do you have an outstanding product or service, but you're feeling frustrated because many of your ideal customers don't know who you are or that you have the perfect solution for them? Worse still, are your competitors with a lower quality offering outperforming you so your customers are buying from them instead of you? Are you launching a new brand or sub-brand to market, rebranding or revitalising your brand, but you're not sure where to start to ensure a profitable return on your investment, growth in market share, and increased sales? Have you already got a well-established brand and you're considering expanding into a new category or market sector, but you haven't yet got clarity on where your opportunities for innovation and growth lie versus the competition? You see, the truth is, there's a lot more to branding than logos, websites, and brochures, because branding is not marketing or design. Branding is the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business. So getting your brand strategy right is critical to your success. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. Come to our live half-day Branding Accelerator Masterclass so we can help you reevaluate and build your brand into a powerhouse using big brand know-how and make the next 12 months your best yet. This masterclass is perfect for you if you're a business leader, entrepreneur, business owner, or manager. You'll have actionable results within half a day and leave this fast injection Branding Accelerator program with time and money saved, clarity and renewed focus, structures and systems needed to get standout results, the foundations of a clear brand strategy enabling you to grow your business faster and more effectively, solutions enabling you to grow your brand to attract, retain, and consistently delight your ideal customers. Brands and branding demystified, so you're empowered to analyze and formulate the strategies required to build your brand profitably. Direction in how to build the bedrock strategy underpinning your whole business so you can increase your profits. Big brand know-how accessed with a modest investment empowering you to scale 10 times over. The focus is on brand strategy as the bedrock foundation underpinning your business, not design. So this masterclass is all about discovering and leveraging big brand know-how using the Persona Brand Building Blueprint system. The systems used are based on over 20 years of award-winning expertise working with national and international household names. The Persona Brand Building Blueprint system is also used on the Economist Group platform, so it's been independently validated. At the end of this Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you will have invaluable systems and processes enabling you to build a much stronger, profitable, more visible, credible, and sustainable standout brand. You'll also get 6 brand building e-workbooks in all the areas covered, amounting to 130 plus pages of invaluable brand building tools, systems, and insights, enabling you to build a much more successful brand and business. Want to know what previous participants have to say? Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you.